Okay, welcome, and let's take a look at how we're going to add an attachment to our Google Calendar. So I've logged in and I need to go to Calendar, and I'm going to switch it over to month view, and say we are working on something for class. I'm going to create an event here on this date, and let's say we're working on a review activity. I can select the topic or subject. I usually break mine into personal, then I have my Algebra 1, my Algebra Readiness class, and then sign-outs for computer laptop carts, and then school events itself. So I'm going to create this event, but I'm going to edit it. And as going through it, like we've talked in the past in some of the other videos, we can set the date, where it is, the description. But this little button right here is really key for sharing with students and parents, adding an attachment. So I'm going to click adding an attachment, and what it does is it opens up my Google Drive. So anything that I've created in Google or that I have uploaded into my Google Docs, and we'll just go right here with Chapter 13 BA Review. I can click select, and it will add it as a attachment in here. So when I type up here into my event title, I'm just going to say Chapter 13 Review. It was on that date. I can go through and say today we completed the Chapter 13 review document, and then type in C attachment. And then I go ahead and put public so that way they can see it when they log in. If I had a specific parent that needed to get the information or saying they can't find it, I could type in their address and email it to them and click save. So then what happens is when they come in and look at this assignment, they're going to click on it. They're going to see that what it is, and for more information, if they clicked on this part right here, oops, actually I'll show you in a second. When they go to the calendar itself, here I'll open up what they would see. So they click on the AR Math calendar, and they can see that they have the different things that are listed. And so when they looked on the description for more details, here's some examples of ones that I've used. They go in there, and then if there was an attachment, they'd also see the attachment here. So hopefully that shows you how easy it is to add an attachment just by creating an event and then clicking on the add attachment key. And again, it's going to always refer back to your Google Drive or your Google Docs as your reference point. The easiest thing that I do is I just upload my PDFs right into my Google Drive or my Google Docs, and then add the attachments from there, so that way parents can see it. It's a very easy tool to share with parents, and it makes things a little bit easier when they say, well, we can't find it, or we forgot it, or we left it at school. If you can add those attachments, you can eliminate some of those excuses by saying, well, if they go on the calendar, you'll see that the attachment, you can just print it up at home. Hopefully that helps make your life a little bit easier, and it's allowing you to use Calendar a little bit more in your classroom. Thank you.